Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Understanding the Release Date of Monty Python and the Holy Grail. Introduction. Monty Python and the Holy Grail is a classic comedy film released in 1975, directed by Terry Gilliam and Terry Jones. Understanding the release date of this iconic movie can provide insights into its cultural impact and historical significance. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to retrieve and display the release date of Monty Python and the Holy Grail using Python code. Step 1. Import required libraries. First, let's import the necessary libraries to work with dates and perform web scraping. Step 2. Fetching the release date. We'll use web scraping techniques to extract the release date information from a reliable online source. In this tutorial, we'll fetch the data from imdb, Internet Movie Database. Step 3. Displaying the release date. Now, let's print out the release date retrieved from imdb. Step 4. Conclusion. You have successfully fetched and displayed the release date of Monty Python and the Holy Grail using Python code. This information can be useful for understanding the historical context and impact of this beloved film. Additional notes. ChatGPT.